Hello, my name is Dave Lucas, entrepreneur, investor, and author.
And I'm Craig Severson, the founder and owner of Options Linebacker.
Like a lot of people and a lot of investors, throughout my time, I've made money in a lot of different ways, whether it was through starting businesses, investing in real estate, investing in starting my own businesses even. And, I've been fortunate to be very successful in all those areas. But the one area that I always came back to that I wasn't as successful as I thought I could be was the stock market. And I'd tried different trading strategies and different trading vehicles, and I'd made some money, but I'd never been consistent. And like a lot of people that are really good in the market are. And so I went on a search about a couple of years ago to find the system and the strategy to help make me the most successful to the levels that I wanted to be at. And that's when I found Craig Severson and Options Linebacker. Craig, you want to tell me a little bit about what you do at Options Linebacker and the system behind it?
Options Linebacker, well, for the past 4 years, we provided a 5 times a week daily newsletter, including a video every day. So we walk people through what's going on in the marketplace. We walk people through what we're doing with our positions, as well as defensive postures, any offensive trades that we're about to make, and several different strategies, most notably being 2 different types of iron condor trade.
And that's the beautiful thing. When I saw Craig and his system and then found out about the iron condor, that trade was it for me. It allowed me to make consistent monthly profits, average a 10% return on risk in that area, 10% return on the money that you're risking in the market every month, consistently every single month. And gosh, you guys have been profitable, how many of the last so many months?
Well, 11 months in a row now, and 13 of the last 15.
And the amazing thing is Craig's putting out there what he's doing, so you can see what him and his team are doing from a trading strategy, because they trade multiple strategies, but you can see the iron condor plays they do every month and why they do them, and really learn how to be consistent in your own trading. I know we were talking, and one of the biggest things that you feel right now in the market is fear. You want to talk a little bit about that?
Oh, absolutely. Right now, we've got every pundit in the world out there predicting doom and gloom, that we're going down to S&P 600 again. And honestly, we really don't care right now. When we see fear like this, when people are scared, when investors are pulling out of the market, usually is the best time to get into the market. This allows us better premiums to work with, and we don't care about what necessarily is going to happen tomorrow because of our non-directional nature that we play the markets in.
It is. He's absolutely right. There are some days we'll put a trade on, and just a few days later we can take it off for a sizable profit. So, it's really exciting time right now to be trading if you have the right strategy and system behind you. So what we've done is we've actually created 23 videos with Craig and I going through the Options Linebacker systems and some of the strategies to help make you more successful. So all you have to do to get them is just put your name and email information in below, and we'll send them to you right away.
Thanks.